Hello everyone. We'll start off by drawing this U shape and then on either side add this opposite V shape. This will be for the hair. Now add on the eyes and the smile. Add on the rest of the body as well at the bottom. Start off with this dress, add arms on either end of it and then add on the legs. Don't forget to draw on the shoes as such. Draw the rest of the hair once you are done and then make it sway with the bend. Afterwards, draw these two circular shapes and then make it look like the girl is holding a balloon. Next, start off by drawing a circular shape by using an empty bottle cap. Add these lines on the head and afterwards add ears on either end of it. Add a smile to it, draw on the rest of the body and then add the detailing to this body such as the clothes, the arms on either side and then the legs in the bottom. Draw on the shoes as well and then add a stick on one of the sides. This is what it should look like. Next, draw a U shape for the face and then add the top portion of this. Add ears on either end and then draw on the top of the head. Add a little bun to it as well and then add a sweetheart neckline to the top and then afterwards draw on the dress at the bottom. Make this into a ballerina dancer, add the legs at the back and then add the hands on either end. Once you are done with this, color it in any color that you please. Add a circular shape and then add a band within it as such. Add ears on either end, draw the hat for this little boy. Afterwards, add the eyes, small smile, and then draw on the rest of the clothes. Add the arms and then draw on the legs along with the shoes as such. Now make it look like this boy is holding a stick on which is connected these leaves-like structures. After you are done with this is what it should look like. This will be a bunch of crackers. Draw on the rest of the detailing as well. Next, we'll start off by drawing this eye shape, add a heart on top of this. Afterwards, draw a face on top of this. Now, add arms on either side, draw on the legs, and then draw on the rest of the body as well. We've drawn shorts for this little boy. Afterwards, add on a hat, add the rest of the hair, add eyes, and a cute little smile to it as well. Once you're done with this, color it in red and orange accordingly. We've colored our heart in orange as such. Color in the rest of the boy as well. Next, in order to draw this princess, we'll start off by drawing the crown and then add the rest of the hair. Make sure that the hair is as long as possible. Afterwards, draw on the face by drawing this U shape. Now, on either side, add two eyes, add a cute little smiley face, and then afterwards, draw on this top as such with a fluffy ball gown dress as such. Draw the arms on the side and color this in. Next, we'll start off by drawing the hat of a little boy. Add the front portion of it and then move on to the ears. Now draw the face and then the neck as well. Add the bottom shirt portion of it, add the eyes, and then add a cute little nose and a smile to it as such. Next, we'll start off by drawing this diagonal line and then make a P or an R shape out of it as such. Connect the bottom of it as such and then on the other side, you may add the little girl's face. Then afterwards, add the legs at the base of it peeking out of the little dress that you have drawn. Make her stick out her hand as though to feel rain as such. Then color the rest of it in pink marker as such. Now, once you are done with this will be what it looks like. Color the hair in orange or brown as well. Now color in the face as well as the hands. Once you are done with it, this will be the final look of it. Now you may take a blue marker and make it look like it is raining all around. Next, we'll start off by drawing a little face and then afterwards draw the hair at the top. Make this opposite U shape for the hair as such. Add ears on either end of it. Now, after you're done with this, add eyes at the bottom and then add a cute little smile to it. Add the rest of the body as well and then this is what it should look like. Add the arms and then the rest of the shoulders. This is the final look. Thank you for watching.